In addition to reading and writing, we need information technology, visual, statistical, and data literacy, along with critical reasoning in order to be successful.
Hello, good people. My name is Janice, your host here at Dignity Human Rights in Daily Life. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're new here, welcome. After watching this video, I invite you to check out this playlist and please consider subscribing.
Literacy is something that I've taken for granted my whole adult life. I have met adults who were illiterate, and while I felt embarrassed for them, some expressed the fear of being found out. Today's story is set in Nairobi, Kenya, where I'll show you around while sharing my personal story of my fear of being found out. The opportunity to realize a lifelong dream of visiting Africa presented itself when I was still traumatized by 9/11 and afraid of people with AIDS. Rehema Home is just that, a home to orphaned and abandoned children. Some might have AIDS, some might be HIV positive, some are not. That's where I met Harry. He had already had a stroke. The moment I set foot on Rehema's campus, our eyes locked. He limped towards me, eyes fixed, took my hand, and showed me the classroom. From that day on, we were buddies, always together. We looked forward to spending time together. Harry became my little buddy, and I loved his company. And he was the only child with full-blown AIDS. I met these young ladies when they were either toddlers or in grade school. The one in the purple shirt was the first baby I held in my arms. Faith is sticking out her tongue. Like me, she likes to run out and play. I see to her education. Walking onto Rehema's campus is like walking to a place of concentrated love. The children are very well cared for. They are loving and wholesome and refreshing. I call them my little cherubs. To commemorate International Literacy Day, I'm asking you to join me in sponsoring a child and seeing to their education. I'll provide links in the description box or more information about Rehema Home and about my little buddy Harry. In the meantime, be well and remember to live your life with dignity.